Hello everyone, so today we are going to work on camera shakes for these attacks. So here, as you can see, I have added some camera shakes when we do the attacks. So let me show how it looks with the in action. I have added shakes when we block the characters and when we get hit and everything. So here the difference is, since we are using gameplay ability system, there are two ways to play camera shakes. We can directly play them through the blueprints, and also we can play camera shakes through a gameplay queue as well. Since we are using the gameplay ability system, I'm gonna use the gameplay queue to activate camera shakes, because gameplay cues can be used to play sound effects, particle effects and shakes all in together in one place, so that's better for the development. So yeah, let's see how to do these things today. And before we get started, let me quickly remind you, you can download the project files of this project and all other thousands of projects that I have done in my channel. So once you become a member, you can download anything without a limit. Feel free to check it out. I'll leave the link in description below. And this tutorial is part of this action RPG with gameplay ability system series I'm doing. You can watch the full tutorial series for free in my channel. I'll leave the link to the full series in the description. And let's get back to today's tutorial. Okay, so first let's create a camera shake class so that we can define the settings that we need. Right click, blueprint, camera shake. Here I will choose as the parent default camera shake base. I'll call this 𝐶shake attack, because this is going to be the shake that I am going to play when the character do an attack. So let's open the shake, and here if I go to the class defaults, expand this, under this you can see the settings that you can use to define how much of a shake you need. So the first thing is timing. So here this has to be a very short time, otherwise it wouldn't look good with the attack. So I'll use the duration as 0.1. Of course we can come back and refine these settings later on. So as the blend in time, I'll use a short amount, and as the blend out, I'll use a little bit longer time, because starting off the shake, it's okay to be like drastic, but if the shake ends too fast, it feels like just something went wrong rather than a shake. So here, let's see, field of view, also let's change maybe like 10, and rotation, let's try 1, is your roll, so pitch, let's try something like 25, roll also something like yaw also something like that, but roll maybe not that much, so 5. And let's change the location as well. Let's check maybe 10. We can of course see how these values works and change them. Now I have defined the camera shake class. So where do we play this? So actually this is a little bit different from the system that we used to play camera shakes. So I want to play this in in my attack ability, right before my character adjusts this position. I do this when the character right before the character land the attack. So here, so if you type play world camera shake, here also you can use default camera shake base, and I'll choose 500 2000 get avatar actor. Let's test this way also and see what happens. Get actor location, but this is not the way it's meant to use the camera shakes with gameplay ability system usually. But anyway, let's just do this and see how it works. It doesn't look like it is working. Okay, anyway, we have something called gameplay cues in gameplay ability system. Oh, hold on, here actually I didn't select this, right? Yeah, shakes are working, see. So it is working, but this is just to play the shakes. But with gameplay ability system, there we can use gameplay cues to play a sound and spawn a particle effect and play a camera shake, all those things together. So let's define a gameplay cue. This one, gameplay cue notify burst. I'll call it GCN attack. Okay, now here under the settings we can, under burst effect, we can add camera shake. So see, shake attack, and here also if you want you can change the scale as well. Let me try to, just to see how it works. And this is camera space, let's try that. So how do we associate with attack gameplay ability with this GCN attack gameplay cue? So here execute gameplay cue. First we have this function. This event is something that I implemented previously to replicate a gameplay cue, but we don't need to replicate this because, at least for now, so maybe we can use this execute gameplay cue on owner, and here we need a tag. So I didn't define a tag for this. So gameplay cue tag, play cue, let's add attack, add new tag, select that. Okay, now let's try this function, gameplay cue attack. Do I need to give some context here? I'm not sure. Let's see if this works. Yeah, it is working. Great. Okay. Oh, yeah, actually this camera space, if I select, if I enable this play in world, camera shake will be played in the world and affect all players. So it's not just for us, it will affect other characters as well. Okay, That's what it means, but I don't want to enable that for now. Now let's see if this effect works on the other players when it is a multiplayer game. So okay, the small windows are clients. Yeah, shake is working on clients, and it does not affect other players, which is a good thing. I don't need that to happen anyway. Okay, right, what's next? Now if I go to hit react, let me open, this is Barry React, hit react sword light. So here this path will take place if my character is getting hit, this path if I have blocked the attack. So let me duplicate this gameplay queue, GCN attack, GCN get hit, and no, GCN react hit, and GCN react hit blocked. Now for the react hit, I'll use the same effect. Maybe let's use 4 as the multiplier. This may be a bit too much, I'm not sure. And here I'll use 3. Now in here in GA react sword light, hit react sword light, we can play the shake, no, play the execute gameplay queue on honor. So we need to define tags here, separate tags. So I'll add react hit. Oh, react hit, and select it. Same way I'll do for the react hit blocked. All right, now here, here react hit, no, react hit blocked, and this way react hit without block. Okay, now let's see how it looks. Yeah, we get a much more impact if I actually get hit without blocking. Okay, all right. So yeah, now you know how to play camera shakes, and I'm going to stop this episode right here. So thanks for watching. Updated project files will be available for the download in Patreon page, link would be in the description below, and see you in the next episode. Goodbye.